Good morning, YouTube. It is now day 2. So today we're going to be steam cleaning the interior. Now I've had these seats sitting in my shed for the longest time, so they're a little grimy, and overall I think we could use some, at least a little bit of, well, I'm just gonna say nothing and get on with the video. Yeah. Oh, by the way, these are the mats that you probably saw yesterday in the time lapse. So I sprayed them down with some purple power, scrubbed the hell out of them, and then I used a car wash with wax. Because when you use those degreasers, they kind of dry out the plastic and it looks faded. They came out really good. So I think it'd be a little bit easier to steam the interior if we took the seats out first. Don't you think? Seats are out. Now we're just gonna pick up a few more things because you can see it's still a mess in here. Then we're gonna vacuum and then start steam cleaning. Before we move any further doing the steam cleaning, we're just gonna take care of a few little spots by hand, see if we can't scrub them up a little bit and make them look a little bit better before we do that. Well, that happened. So I ended up getting the rest of my interior cleaned and realized my GoPro died, and then this started happening. So I don't know if we're gonna cut the video for today, because we also got tomorrow to do work too. But, okay, we're going inside. Don't know if I'm going to cut the video for today yet, I got a couple other things that I want to try and get done. Hopefully this rain stops. I wish I had a bigger garage. Well, I'll see y'all in a few if the rain stops. If it doesn't stop, I'll see y'all tomorrow. That rain before just keeps on coming. It's not stopping today. But grabbed two things. Well, I grabbed the one thing because they didn't have the other one that I need. But where I'm going with this is, here's the box I originally had. Dual 10s, sealed. Really, but you know what? It worked great. The two 10-inch Alpines I had in here, they sounded phenomenal. But, like most bass heads, you can't stop at 10s. In my bedroom, I got 15s. There's no way in hell I'm putting those in my Malibu. But, instead of being sealed, I can go ported. And instead of 10s, I can go, well, let me just show you. So, that's what it's going to be. I know they look like garbage. I should be ashamed for that. Oh my god. But, it's dual 12 ported box. Gonna mount both of these amps up here. Gonna have the capacitor right in the center, and all the wires are gonna be nice and neatly tucked. That way I still have some access of a trunk. So that's gonna be a project for tomorrow, since it seems like it keeps wanting to rain every like 5 minutes here. So catch you all tomorrow.